Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to download Alight Motion on your PC. It's super easy and straightforward, so let's get started. So go ahead and go to your browser and search for Alight Motion app download. So there will be a lot of link shown to you here. You just need to click on whichever link you want. Make sure that that link is also legit. But if you want the legit website of Alight Motion, you just need to type on the browser Alight Motion apkhd.com, and it will show you this page. This is the original page. And then go down, you'll be able to see the app name and the information of the app, so it's free to use. And below that, you will see the download now button. So you just need to click on that to start downloading the Alight Motion, and you will be redirected to a page, and there you go. You have official download. We have the Google Play Store link, Alight Motion. Click on this. But if you are using a Mac or an Apple device, there is a link here as well. Once you click this link, you'll be routed to the Google Play and the Apple App Store. And that's actually it. That's how you download the Alight Motion on your PC. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.